Hi lovelies, good morning and welcome back to my channel. So today guys, we are doing something very different. So we are cooking Nsala soup. I want to show you guys how I make my own Nsala soup. Yes, and you might like to try it out. So have put my chicken on the fire. I didn't boil the chicken with the yam together because I don't want the chicken to be too strong. So I'm pounding my yam. This yam is kind of strong and stretchy. So this is my stockfish and my Indian fruits, my big giant dry fish. So in here, in this plate, I have my fresh pepper, crayfish. I also have, please ignore the noise, I'm outside. I also have my Nsala spices here. I have my uziza leaf. I also have the uziza seed pounded with the. So right now I'm going to be adding the stockfish. I didn't get much stockfish because I have my big catfish here, so dry catfish. So I'll be adding the stockfish so that it will cook very well. The chicken is already cooked, but not as soft as I want, not that soft but not that strong. So I'm going to be adding the amount of water I want for my soup here. After adding it, I'm going to cover it and allow it to cook for like 5 minutes. After cooking for 5 minutes, I'm going to be adding my Nsala spice. After adding the Nsala spice, I'm going to also be adding my pounded yam in there so that it will dissolve on time and there won't be any lumps. So after adding it, I'm going to cover it. I'm going to cover it to boil for a few minutes. Then I'm going to be adding my Indian fruit. Start adding the Indian fruit. I'm also going to cover it and allow it to cook for a while. Then I'm going to add in my uziza leaf. After adding the uziza leaf, that is it. Allow it to cook for a little while. Let me just say 30 seconds or even 1 minute. Yes, then I'll bring it down and voila, your soup is ready. And it tastes so good, it tastes so delicious. So guys, I will allow you guys to enjoy the video. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also comment if this is how you make your own Nsala soup. Nsala soup is the easiest soup to cook, one of the easiest soup to cook. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. No be only buys. Voiceover is not for the weak.